Hello amazing people, it's your girl Blick and welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to achieve an everyday makeup look like this one. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. So let's get right into
Using
it.
this concealer as my eyeshadow base. Using a fluffy brush, I'm going to tap my concealer going towards my eyebrows, and I'll tap that two shades together. After, I'm going to go in with a brown shade since we are doing a simple everyday makeup look, and I'm going to blend that in. After that, I'll go in with a lighter brown shade and blend the two shades together. I'm using the Kiss Beauty eyeliner since we are doing a simple look. I just want to keep it simple, and I'm going to draw a line. After that, I'm going to fill it in, then draw a wing. After that, I connect the two lines together, coming to the inner corner of my eyes. Moving on to the face, I'm using the Black Opal primer and I'm smearing it all over my face. After that, I'll let it dry before I go in with the foundation. And the foundation will be using the MB Cosmetic Foundation in the shade number 18. Using my concealer brush to place some products before I use a damn beauty blender, and I'm going to take my time while blending the foundation, and I'm going to do that section by section, and I always take my time while applying my foundation to make sure it sits into the skin. And when it comes to my forehead, I like to put my product in the middle of my eyebrows, then I spread it out going upwards. That's to avoid a lot of product around the forehead. Using the MB Cosmetic Concealer, and it's in the shade number 9. And I'm applying that on my chin, my nose bridge, my forehead. Using the same beauty blender I used for the foundation to blend in my concealer. I don't know if you guys have noticed, today I switched up things a little bit. In most cases, I always do the contouring first with the contouring concealer. And I'm using Dark Cocoa White. It's from Elegal Pro Conceal. And I'll apply that at my edges, my cheekbones, my nose. And I'm going to use a brush to blend in the products. When it comes to blending in my contouring products, I like to use a brush. Then for the highlight products, I like to use a beauty blender or at times a brush, but that's on rare occasions. So just take your time while blending in the products. So I decided to go in back with some more concealer for the under area of my eyes. So I'm blending the concealer under my eye from the outer part going into the inner corner of my under eye area. Using the Zickel Let's Face It palette, I'm going to press my powder into my skin using the same beauty blender I used for the concealer. Ever since I started using the beauty blender to apply my powder, my makeup has been like flawless, I would say. Yeah, so try it out. And if you've come this far of the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. And I'm using this dark shade for my contouring powder. I'm using this angled brush to contour my nose, just to give it that snatched feeling. And after that, I'm going to go in back with the same shade of the powder and contour my forehead. Using this gold shade, I'm going to apply it on the inner corner of my eyes. Using this black line, I'm going to line my waterline. I think that is one step I can't do without. After that, I'm going to go back in with the gold shade and I'm going to use it as my highlighter, and I'm doing the highlighter only for my nose. I don't like doing it for my cheeks. And after that, we are going to go in with our compact powder to seal in all the makeup in its place. Specifically for this look, I did not use blush. I don't know if you guys have noticed, I didn't use blush and highlighter on my cheeks. Last but not least, I'm going to use this fixing spray to seal in the makeup in its place. After that, I'll go in with the mascara from the Lulu's Cosmetics. Today I'm using the Davis number 54 lip liner, and I'm just going to outline my lips with this liner. Then we are going to use the MB Cosmetic lip gloss. It's in the shade Ruby Milk. So guys, this is one of my favorite lip combos. I like to mix this shade and the next shade, it's called Sparkle. I like to mix those two shades to come up with my lip combo. So what I do, I just apply a little bit of this shade, and then after I go in with the shade dark chocolate chip, it's a brown lip gloss. I always like to use a wipe in the middle of my lips to make sure I don't leave any lip stains to go to my teeth. So guys, this is my go-to lip combo, and that's it for our video. Hope you guys love this look as much as I do. It's an everyday makeup look. I try to make it simple as possible so that if anyone wants to try it, it's very easy. So guys, let me know in the comments what you think about this look. See you. Bye bye.